Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how everyone was asking me how to put elastic or a tie on the beach skirt that I have done the tutorial. So I just wanted to show you. I finished crocheting this at the beach and I did the bow. I just did chain around all the way around. And with the safety pin I just went, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And I just put it on, and my husband, he took a picture. So this is how it looks like. Here's another picture. I'm at the beach enjoying the nice beach, and this is how it looks like. I think it turned out pretty good. Yeah, it's a cover up, and this is how it looks like. I also put these pictures on my, oops, that's, that's the skirt. Yeah, these are all the skirts. Yeah, and here's the finished look. Oops, not that one. Okay, I think that's all the pictures I have. Okay, yeah, let me go back here, and this is the skirt. And here's the skirt. So I'm just gonna lay this down, and I just made a simple chain and just went over the safety pin and just did a bow just like this. But I'm going to, didn't cut the edge because I wanted to do something with it, and I'll be right back to show you the look. Here are all the elastics that I have went to check. Well, the black are the black that I'm not going to be putting it on, but the white I looked for ivory cream color elastic. They don't carry. They only carry white. So I said to myself, well, that's okay. So I'm going to do a trick, and I hope it works. You know, you try it. So I'm going to be using this elastic, this one. It's round, or I can use this. Either one would work. Maybe I should use this. Yeah, I'll use this. Yeah, pick. And then they also have this that you you sew. You use the sewing machine. Usually they do it on sleeves for babies' sleeves, or it's very thin. They only had one white. Yeah, they have lots of varieties. I couldn't, only in Canada I could find the thick elastics. Well, in Edmonton I couldn't find. So I grabbed all the elastics that I saw. Okay. So let me come back to the skirt. So what I did is, because I got lots of comments and messages how to do, because it falls down, right? No matter what. And I noticed when you're working with cotton yarn, try to do the waist tighter, because it does get bigger. I noticed that. So what I did is I just did chain all the way around. Just a regular chain, and I used a safety pin. So I'm gonna, I think this is too long, but yeah, so I just went like this with the safety pin between. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the, with the elastic, so I'll show you, but I'm gonna do it inside. Let me just pull this. Okay, there's 10 meter on this. So this one I'm going to hide it inside and tie it. just like this. Sorry about that, my throat got dry, so I needed to drink some water. Okay, so I need to do this. How I can do it. I don't want the white to, come out from here. So I'm going to try to hide it underneath these. The inside, that's no problem. But to do that, I just need to go just like this. Okay. So it won't seam. That's what I'm focusing on. So this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go in between the same hole that I have went. Just like this. And I'm going to go underneath the same hole. So it won't be seen like this. This will hide it. This will be hidden. See? So this is my trick. So I'm going to go all the way around and I'll come back to show you. It's going to take me a while. It's white, right? Or I can use this. I think this is more better. Yeah, I'm going to use this because this one is a little bit wide. The white is coming out. Yeah, you need to try it and see how it works. So that's what I'll do. I'll use that elastic instead of this. And I'll come back to show you how it looks like. Yeah, let me just pull this out and I'll be right back. So I put this elastic, so I'm doing the same way. Just gonna pull it from the holes. And this way, just to show you. See? Yeah, this is way better. Then you can't see the white one. The white is hidden. Yeah, so I'll go all the way around and I'll come back. At least this will secure, right, the elastic. And I'll give room. Inside, it doesn't matter because it's inside, right? Or you can hide this one as well. If you want to hide it. Can hide it like that, and you can't see the elastic. Yeah, so I'll be right back. I'm going to go around and around, and then this is going to take me a while, and I'll be right back to show you the end result. Okay, so I went all the way around, and this is how it looks like. See, you can't see it. So in your local area, if you can find elastic like this, or you can do double, like I did one strand of, like I did one. If you want to do a double, then this would be thicker. Depends on the elastic. So I was lucky to find this, and this is how you do the, so you can't even see the elastic. It's underneath. So this will secure. Just going to tie it here. So I'm going to give it a little bit more room. I did list this on my Etsy shop. Well, I was supposed to wear it, but unfortunately I couldn't finish it on time, so I never wore it. So I listed this on my Etsy shop, and it's on for sale. So this will fit 2/6 to up to 4 extra large. So I'm going to give enough elastic here. And And I'm just going to cut this and tie it. Just tie it, just a regular tie. And I gave enough room for this one as well. And I'm planning to put beads on here. Check my Instagram, Angora_Valera on Instagram. And you will see the finished looks. I'm planning to put beads on here. And then give a nice touch look. Yeah. Tomorrow I'll be going down for bead shopping. So I'm just cutting this like that. Then I'm just going to tie this. So who buys this will just like this. And you can do for yourself as well. Okay. And then here, just tie it. And make a bow. I will put the beads and then it will look nice. So this is how you do the, and well, you can make yours shorter if you want, or you can just cut this edge, or I can do that too. Yeah, if you don't want to put beads on it, just cut it and make this shorter if you want. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you this tutorial on how to do the, see, it does stretch. It's now elastic, and then if it's too big, you can tighten this, just like this. So I hope you like this tutorial. I just wanted to give you an idea on how to, because I got a couple of comments and people messaging me. So I said I'll do a tutorial on how to do the waist area. It turned out pretty good. Actually, the yarn is super soft, and I used all of the 6 balls of it, believe it or not. Yeah, and I just had this left, this tiny left, and it's endless. Like, you can create anything you want with this stitch, and it turned out pretty good. I really like it. If you have any comments, please put your comments below, so I'll try to reply to you. But if I don't know, if I receive it 5 to 10 years later, probably I will forget about this, because I keep on creating different items, right? And then I get comments that I had posted a video like 5-6 years ago. Can't even remember the stitches, and I don't have pattern. Like, people keep on asking me the same question. Can you send me a pattern? Sorry, I don't have a pattern. Just go ahead and create the, I just design it, and I, just crochet, and I carry on with a different project. So, yeah, I just wanted to share, like, you can just do a regular chain and then go all the way around, and that's it. Or if you want to double secure it, put elastic like this, and it will help you wear this lovely skirt. Again, thank you very much for watching my tutorials. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Share with your family, friends, and happy crocheting!